Fans of KONOSUBA, a lot of you guys are going to be happy about this KONOSUBA information. Today we got the release date for KONOSUBA, an explosion on this wonderful world. And a lot of you guys have been waiting for this for the longest time now. But before I get into the video, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely support this video by leaving a like and also subscribing so you guys don't miss any future videos. And with that said, let's hop right into the video. So KONOSUBA is getting a anime spin-off, and this is one of the spin-offs I've been actually looking forward to. The anime did get confirmed to be releasing in spring of 2023. For clarification, this is not a season 3. Season 3 is still in production and won't be happening until a later date. This is a KONOSUBA spin-off that will be mainly focusing on Megumi. Yes, that explosion girl from season 1 and season 2. It will be mainly focusing on that character, and as you guys can see, all of the characters basically look the same but with a little bit of differences. Anyways, look forward to spring 2023 in April. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely support this video by leaving a like and also subscribing so you guys don't miss any future videos. And with that said, I will see you all in my next video.